Have you ever stared at your freelance income, a glorious, unpredictable beast, and wondered, how on earth do I make this money work for me? If you're nodding your head, then you're in the right place. As freelancers, we revel in the freedom, the creative control, and the ability to choose our own hours. But let's be honest, that freedom often comes with a side of financial uncertainty. No steady paychecks, no employer-matched RRSPs, no automatic tax deductions. It's all on us. This is where a platform like Wealthsimple can truly shine for the self-employed. It's designed to simplify investing and money management, making it accessible even if your income stream looks more like a roller coaster than a river. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to dive deep into how freelancers can leverage Wealthsimple's features to build financial stability, grow their wealth, and ultimately achieve that ultimate freelance dream, financial peace of mind. We'll cover everything from managing your irregular income and optimizing your savings, to navigating the often dreaded world of taxes. We'll explore the different accounts Wealthsimple offers, discuss smart investing strategies for freelancers, and even touch on how to handle business expenses like a pro. By the end of this, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn your fluctuating freelance earnings into a robust financial future. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's demystify Wealthsimple for the modern freelancer. Part 1. The Freelance Financial Landscape. Why Wealthsimple? Being a freelancer means you're effectively running a small business, and with that comes the responsibility of managing your own finances. Traditional banking and investing solutions often aren't set up for the ebb and flow of freelance income. This is where Wealthsimple steps in as a powerful ally. First, let's talk about the unique challenges freelancers face. Irregular income. Some months are feast, some are famine. This makes budgeting and consistent saving tricky. Tax burden. No employer means no automatic tax deductions. You're responsible for setting aside and remitting your own income taxes, CPP contributions, and potentially Hawaii Standard Time/Gulf Standard Time. Lack of benefits. No company health plans, no paid vacation, and crucially, no employer-sponsored retirement plans. You have to build your own safety nets. Business expenses. Tracking and deducting legitimate business expenses is vital for reducing your taxable income. Wealthsimple addresses many of these pain points with its user-friendly interface, diverse product offerings, and commitment to low fees. It's built for simplicity, which is exactly what you need when you're juggling client work, marketing, and the actual delivery of your services. Wealthsimple's core offerings for freelancers. Wealthsimple Invest, Robo-Advisor. This is ideal for hands-off investing. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and Wealthsimple builds and manages a diversified portfolio of ETFs for you. This is perfect for long-term growth, like retirement savings or a down payment on a house. The automated rebalancing and dividend reinvesting ensure your portfolio stays on track without you lifting a finger. For irregular income, you can set up flexible contributions, or simply deposit lump sums when you have a good month. Wealthsimple Trade, self-directed investing. If you prefer to pick your own stocks and ETFs, Wealthsimple Trade offers commission-free trading for Canadian and U.S. stocks and ETFs. This gives you more control and can be useful if you want to experiment with specific investments or have a higher risk tolerance. They also offer fractional shares, meaning you can invest in expensive stocks with smaller amounts of money, which is great for dollar-cost averaging even with fluctuating income. Wealthsimple Cash, high-interest savings and spending. This is a game-changer for freelancers. It functions as a hybrid checking and savings account, often offering competitive interest rates on your balance. This is perfect for parking your emergency fund, saving for large purchases, and even managing your day-to-day business income and expenses. The associated debit card makes it easy to spend and track. Wealthsimple Tax, formerly SimpleTax. This free, or pay what you want, tax filing software is a lifesaver for freelancers. It's incredibly intuitive, guides you through all the necessary deductions, and helps ensure you're maximizing your refund and minimizing your tax burden. It even autofills information from the CRA, saving you significant time. Part 2. Managing your irregular income with Wealthsimple Cash. The cornerstone of any successful freelance financial strategy is managing irregular income. This is where Wealthsimple Cash can become your best friend. Imagine this: a big client payment lands in your account. Instead of letting it sit there in a low-interest checking account, you can immediately transfer a portion to your Wealthsimple Cash account. The higher interest rate means your money is working for you, even before you decide where to invest it. Here's how to optimize Wealthsimple Cash for your freelance income. The Pay Yourself First method, Freelancer Edition. This classic financial principle is even more crucial for freelancers. When a payment comes in, immediately allocate percentages to different buckets. A common recommendation for freelancers is to set aside 30 to 35% for taxes, 10 to 20% for savings/investing, and the rest for living expenses. Dedicated tax savings: open a separate Wealthsimple Cash account, or simply create a distinct space within your main cash account, specifically for taxes. Label it CRA Tax Fund. Every time you get paid, immediately transfer your estimated tax percentage into this fund. This prevents you from accidentally spending money that isn't truly yours and helps you avoid a nasty surprise come tax season. Emergency Fund: this is non-negotiable for freelancers. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses, or even more, given income unpredictability, in a separate, easily accessible Wealthsimple Cash account or space. This fund acts as your buffer during slow periods or unexpected expenses, preventing you from dipping into your investments. Operating expenses: if you have recurring business expenses, you can create another space to set aside funds for these. This helps separate your business finances from your personal finances, making bookkeeping much easier. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.